welcome back to our class. In last lecture we have started chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? And in last lecture what we have seen, in short we will see understanding concept of pattern, and textbook page number 99 to 103 we have seen. What is meant by pattern? Pattern is ordered of some figures or some letters or some words. Okay. So here, and it will have some rule. So textbook page number 99 to 103 we have finished. Today's topic is textbook page number 103 to last page of this chapter 111. 103 half page. Yes, last time we have finished, and I am starting with half page now. Now see, on your page number 103, magic squares are there. So do you remember magic triangles which we have studied in class 3 and 4? In class 3 and 4 also you have studied pattern. There you have studied some magic triangles. Okay, now let's make some magic squares. Fill this square using all the numbers from 46 to 54. And what is the rule? The total of each line is 150. Each line means this total 1, 2, 3. This like second line and third line. Then these rows also, columns and rows, vertically, horizontally and diagonally. Diagonally means cross, like this. The total should be 150. So we have to fill this square with these numbers only, starting with 46, ending with 54. In between some numbers are given. You have to use it and you have to fill it. Now see children, there is a trick. I am going to teach you one trick. Instead of doing so many calculations and trying, I have one trick. So let's learn that trick. Okay. See, first I will show you by using 1 to 9 numbers. Okay. How to make a magic square by using 1 to 9 numbers. So first write down the numbers in the pattern of this 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then give the lines like this. Okay, then give these lines. Okay, now you got this type of figure. Now circle the corner numbers which are at the 4 corners. So these are the 4 numbers which are at the 4 corners. Then change their place. This 3 you write here. This 7 you write here. Then this 1 you write here. This 9 you write here. Now see here children. After writing this will be your first row. This will be your second row. And this will be your third row. First, second and third row. Now if you will write this here. See here, what is the here? 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2. Third one is 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7 and 8, 1, 6. So 8, 1, 6. Now if you will add 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Okay. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So this is horizontal addition. This is vertical addition. Now we will see diagonally. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Then 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. So see children, the addition of vertical, horizontal and diagonal numbers is same. So the same method we have to use for any type of square. So you can play this game with your friends, with your parents, that you can arrange, you can fix one time that within 2 minutes you arrange the numbers. This is the magic square and I can show you. Okay, so this square we will see how to do now. Here we have to use numbers 46 to 54. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, and then I have given the lines as I have shown you here. The same procedure we have to follow here. Now see here children. First what we have to do? Circle the corner numbers. So this is the first corner, second corner, third corner and fourth corner. Then we have to write these numbers. Okay, where opposite side. So this 52 we will write here. This 48 we will write here. This 46 we will write here. And this 54 we will write here. Now we got the square. So these are this is first line, this is second line and this is third line. Now write down the numbers. What is the first? 49, 54, 47. 49, 54, 47. Okay, it is written here. Okay, we can turn that. 48, then 50, then 52. Okay, then 53, 46 and 51. Okay children, now see, if we will add these numbers, so what we are getting? See, 49 plus 54, so 9 plus 4, 13, so here, okay, 13, so 3 here, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 10, 110 plus 47, so what it will be? 7 plus 3, 10, 4 plus 1, 5 and 1 as it is. Like this if you will add, so this is 150, this is also 150, this is also 150. Again vertically also the total will be 150. You can cross check this, you can pause the video and you can check the addition. Vertically also it will be 150 and this vertically also it will be 150. Now you will say that here it is given in this method like this. So here see children, first write down 52 and 47. So what is the third number? So where is our 52 and 47? See here. 52 and 47. 52 in the middle. So what you will write? 51 you will write here in this corner. Now here 51 you got. So 51 plus 46. What will be the next? So 51 plus 46. So what will be the next? 53. So this 53 you have to write here. Then 53 and 49. So middle number. So 53 and 49. What you will write there? 48. Like this remaining numbers you can fill. See here children. From the question it is given that total of each line is equal to 150. So let's take the third row. Like this you can do. You can solve. To explain you I have done this. But this is the very good method which I have shown you on the board. It is a trick to solve instead of doing this all. Now see, this is the answer as I have shown you. Now see the magic hexagons. Now one more children. So this square one is I have shown you on your page number 103. See here, page number 103. So this square I have shown you. This second square you have to complete. I am going to send you the worksheet. In that worksheet this I will send. So by using this method you have to solve this. Now I am turning the page number 104. So in this 104 magic hexagons are there that I am going to start now. Magic hexagons. See here. What is hexagon? Hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. It will have 6 equal sides. Look at the pattern of the numbers in hexagons. Each side has 2 circles and 1 box. This is the first side, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So each side has 2 circles and 1 square. 2 circles, 1 square. 2 circles, 1 square. 2 circles, 1 square. 2 circles, 1 square. Here also 2 circles, 1 square. And some numbers are given in that. So first find out what is the relation in between. What is the relation is given. So if you will observe here, what is the relation here? See, 10 sevens are 70, 14 sevens are 98, 14 fives are 50, 5 13s are 65, 13 twos are 26, 2 10s are 20. So multiplication of these two numbers and product is written in the middle square. Product means answer of multiplication. So like this it is given. See, look at the number 65 in the box. Which are the circles next to it? Can you see how the rules work? 13 5s are 65 and 14 5s are 70. Already I have shown you the rule in here in this hexagon. So now here like this, two more hexagons are given. See here on your page number 104. These two hexagons are given. This you have to complete in the worksheet and you have to send. You can draw this in your notebook or you can take the printout of your worksheet and you can solve. Now we are moving to textbook page number 105. Numbers and numbers. See here children. This is star, this is pentagon, this is square. Okay. Few numbers are written in each figure. Equal to, again the same figures are there. See, this square along with the same number here, this pentagon along with the same number here, and this star along with the same number here. Numbers are same, figures are same, only places are changed. Star was in the first place, now it is in the middle place. Pentagon was in the middle place, it is at the last. And square was at the last place, it is on the first place. Same in the downside figure also. Circle, square and rectangle. So here what is it? This is the left hand side, it is called right hand side. Are they equal? Now this is the question. So if you will add this 24 plus 19 plus 37. So this sum means answer of addition. It will be same with this. So left hand side and right hand side. So in addition and multiplication, if we will change the order of the numbers, so it will not make any difference in the answer. Answer will be same. So this only is given in your textbook page number 104. So based on this same topic, these 4 questions are given. A, B, C, D. These 4 questions also you have to solve in the worksheet. I am going to send you the worksheet today with this figure and you have to solve this. Now see children, next the same I am going to show here. See, are they equal? Yes, they mention equations are equal. Equation, it is called equation. So left hand side, LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. What is left hand side here? See here 24 plus 19 plus 37. This is the left hand side. And 37 plus 24 plus 19, it is a right hand side. So the answer of both the addition is 80. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Same in the second example. See here 215 plus 120 plus 600 left hand side. So what is the answer? 935. 600 plus 215 plus 120 right hand side. The answer is same 935. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Now see, look at this. Now this is the multiplication. Just now I told you that in addition and in multiplication, if we will change the order of the numbers, it will not make any difference in the answer. So if you will do for multiplication of 48 and 13, this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. So 48 into 13 is equal to 624 and 13 into 48 is also 624. So by comparing LHS and RHS, both are equal. So it doesn't make any difference if we change the order. Now I am moving to next page. Page number 106. So here, see, right hand side and left hand side are same like that we have seen just now. Now see here, some games are there, number games are there. If you will play with your friend, you can see. See here, the girl she is saying, come let's see how to get such numbers. Take a number, say 43. Now turn it back to front, means change the place of the numbers. 43 has become 34. Then add them together. Add these two, 34 and 43. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 3 also 7. 77 is one special number. So there are many such numbers are there. Special number means what? If you will change the order of these both numbers, still the number will be same. Okay. See one more number here. Take another number 48. Now turn it back to front. So 48 will become 84. Add these two numbers. 8 plus 4 12. 12 1 carried. 4 plus 1 5 plus 8 13. 133. Now is 133 is a special number? No. Because if we will change the order, then 231 it will become 231. So it is not a special number. Okay. So we will carry again. Okay. Carry on with the same number. So 132 if we will turn it will become 231. Now 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 2 plus 1 3. So 363. Now if we will turn it places of each other, the same number we will get. 363, 363. So 363 is a special number. Like these three questions are given in your textbook, page number 106. Now you try and change these numbers into special numbers 28, 132 and 273. This you have to do in the worksheet. Now see children. Now let's use words in a special way. No lemons, no melon. Step not on pets. Did you notice that it reads the same from both sides? See here. What I read? No lemons, no melon. So see here. No lemon, no melon. Step not on pets. Step not on pets. Okay. So if you will read this letter from right to left or left to right, so the reading will be same. So this type of special words or special numbers which read the same both ways are called palindromes. Okay, few more examples are there. See here, madam. Always we call madam, M-A-D-A-M, M-A-D-A-M, madam. Then nurses run, N-U-R-S-E-S-R-U-N, N-U-R-S-E-S-R-U-N. Then race car, R-A-C-E-C-A-R, R-A-C-E-C-A-R. So like this, few words are there. So you have also to write some few names like this. Now on page number 107, one calendar, magic calendar is there. That is the game which you have to play. Okay. Now see here, some more patterns are there, number patterns are there. Take any number, now multiply it by 2, 3, 4 at every step. Also add 3 to it at each step. Look at the difference in the answer. Is it the same at every step? So first you have to solve this. What is that? Take this number. So this number will be same everywhere. Okay. Multiply it by 2, 3, 4 and 7. So on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Add 3 in each. Find the answer. And then find the difference in the same answer, in the answer. Difference between these two, then difference between these two, then difference between these two. So, what is the special? Is it same at every step? Let's check. See here. I have completed it. See here. All 12s are here. Then 2 to 9. Add 3. These are the answers. Now, let's check the difference in the answers. 39 minus 27. 12. 51 minus 39, 12, 63 minus 51, 12, 75 minus 63, 12, 87 minus 75, 12, 99 minus 87, 12, 111 minus 99, 12. So therefore the difference in the answers are same at every step. So children, hope you understood this. Okay. Now see the next page. Page number, see children, based on this I have shown you. So like that, some patterns are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these patterns you have to complete on your own, complete in the textbook, and whenever I am going to send the worksheet, so in worksheet also you have to complete it. Now some secret numbers are there that we will see in short. See. Banu and Binod were playing a guessing game by writing clues. So this is your page number 110, second last page of your chapter. So Banu and Binod are playing a guessing game by writing some clues. about a secret number. Each tried to guess other secret number for the clues, from the clues. Now you can guess the secret number. It is larger than half of 100. Half of 100. It is larger. Half of 100 means what? Half of 100 is 50. So it is larger than 50. Means this secret number is greater than 50. It is more than 6 tens and less than 7 tens. 6 tens means 60. 7 tens means 70. So it is more than 60 and less than 70. See here I have written. Then tens digit is 1 more than the ones digit. Means what is the number of the tens digit? It is more than the ones digit. Okay. And together the digits will have the sum of 11. So you can write these numbers. See here. What is our first clue? That it is. What is our first clue? That larger than half of 100. So half of 100 is 50. So the number is greater than this 50. Okay. The second clue is between 60 and 70. So what will be the number? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 or 70. Not 70. Only between this. Okay. Then what is the next clue is given? The tens digit is more than that the ones digit. So 6 is not 1 more. 2 is not 2 and 6 difference is 4. 6 and 3 difference is 3. 6 and 4 difference is 2. 6 and 5 difference is 1. Here these are same. This is also difference 1. 68, 69. Difference of 2, difference of 3. Okay. So we got 2 numbers now. So what is the last clue? Together the digits have the sum of 11. So 6 plus 7 is what? 6 plus 7 is 13. And 6 plus 5 is 11. So this is matching with our number. So what is the secret number? It is 65. Like this, second secret number also you can find out. Do it on your own. Find out it. Okay. And page number 111 that you have to do on your own. It is very easy. So like this you can solve all the patterns, children. Here our chapter is finished. In the next chapter, we will start with a new lesson. Lesson number 8, mapping your way. So children, thank you. Have a nice day.